Hey guys, it's me. Check this out. Right after I got done with that particular cemetery, well, it really wasn't a cemetery. It was woo, give me a second, y'all. I'm tired. Hey, it took me a minute to get to this particular place here. It's called the Lost Sink Falls out on Keel Mountain. And I'm here to tell you that trail right out through there, it is not no joke, you guys. I promise you. Remember when I had to go in Gunnersville? Hey, this right here, whoo, man, this is almost the same, you guys. But hey, y'all give me them thumbs up if you like that Miss Baker video. Hey, y'all, I just put it out, and y'all, hey, I appreciate it. All you new guys out there, I thank you. Welcome to the channel. Hey, look here, we're going to the Lost Sink Falls, and I was going to start it at where you park at, but I'm here to tell you, it took us about, I'm gonna say a good 20 minutes to get up here, and it was nothing but some some walking up some doggone rocks and leaves, and it wouldn't have been fun for you. But hey, look here, you guys, I'm bringing you on this part of it, and hey, I hope y'all come right on along with me. And Carolyn, hey, check this out. I tell you I was gonna get you something special, so hey, here you go. This here doesn't have anything to do with any graves per se. I haven't found none up in here yet, but hey, who knows, we could get lucky. But hey, you guys, check this out. I hope y'all enjoy this right here, and share, thumbs up. Remember, share, thumbs up. All right, now, hey, hope y'all see this. I'm sweating my butt off, and my face is just as red as you're gonna get it. But look at this here, you guys. Check it out. I got my son-in-law Joe with me down there. He's the one in the white cap down there, and then I got Shannon, aka Dinosaur, and they're down there in the bottom. And we got to go down right there. I just wanted to show everybody, let y'all see, hey, how pretty this is. And this is where we're fixing to head to. And y'all, hey, come on along. Hopefully we'll make it. Hey, come on. Woo! Man, it feels good. After all that walking. Woo! Oh man, the slippery slopes. Oh. Gotta play Billy Goat here too, don't you? Woo-wee! Alright, here we are. Check this out, you guys. Shannon, you got anything to say, man?
Pretty awesome.
Hey, yeah.
Really is.
What do you think, Joe? Man, I'm fixing to go down. I'm coming. Hey, let's put my drink down. You know, I had to have something to drink. Woo! Well, you guys, hopefully I won't drop y'all. Let's see. Yeah, it is. I'm gonna make it. I'll make it. Check this out. You guys, look, we're going, y'all. Check this out. Woo! All right. I guess I should have brought my vest with me. But hey, we're gonna get down. Hey, these roots are right on key right here. Woo! Check that out, guys. Woo! I'm slipping and sliding. That's where I come from so far, you guys. It ain't nothing but some mud and ugly down through here. Here I come, man. Alright. Woo! this is it, you guys. This is the Lost Sink Falls, right? Am I right, Joe? He can't hear me. It's loud down here, you guys. We're gonna get in it. Woo! Yeah. Woo. There we go. Took me a second, you guys. Had to get up under there. Woo. Man, I'm telling you the truth, there's a lot down here. Alright. Alright, here we go. How far down does it go? Keep going. It does? Oh,